Hi guys, my name is Amberty and today I will show you how to fix a sprite render on Godot 4. I have a ball sprite, so I put it in my project. Create a 3D scene, add the sprite 3D node, add the node 3D. Then add ball sprite, add sprite 3D. Select sprite 3D, flags, texture filter, we are selecting a nearest. And why my texture looks correctly? What? Oh no, my sprite is displayed incorrectly. Wow, no. How to fix it? To fix it, we go project settings, import defaults. In importer, we are selecting a texture 2D. Looking for a detect 3D, compress 2, we are selecting a disable. Save, close. Delete your old sprite. Add your sprite another one. Add your sprite to sprite 3D. Your sprite will display correctly. If you have any question, ask me in the comments. Push like and subscribe.